When you don't show your face, you have the luxury to prepare your script, to write it down and review it as many times as you need before starting the editing. Let's see what it takes to create the best script for your YouTube automation video. We made our research, in-depth research, together and synthesized the most valuable information available online, so that you don't get lost in the ocean of tutorials. So to make your script riveting till the end, all you have to do is to follow these steps. Number 1. Seeking inspiration. Start by looking for content in your niche either on YouTube, blogs, or social media platforms. So let's say you're looking for videos about private jets. Type it in the search bar, then select through the suggested videos the ones with compelling text. How do you recognize a compelling script? Well, when you have the feeling the video gave you the information you are looking for, when you don't get bored after 2 minutes, when every single sentence conveys a new idea, but also when it has a structure. A structure is when the script is divided into distinct sections. At the same time, each part leads to the following one. And if you have storytelling skills, that's when your text will stand out amongst your competitors. We're gonna come back to this later on. For now, you need to focus on picking videos with high quality scripts. Videos with a big number of viewers are surely the ones you need to get inspired from. But from our experience, there is great content out there made by channels just starting out that shows advanced skills in script writing and also very valuable information. To summarize, the first step is to bring together between 3 and 4 videos with relevant content. Number 2. Write down punchy ideas you want to implement in your script. You can't pull all the information you got from the videos you gathered in your script. So, you need to be picky and retain the most valuable ones. From those elements, you will set the plan. Here, we are talking about the structure. Your script should be split into sections evolving around the main idea. As in this video, we have a number 1 dedicated to the search step followed by a number 2 where we talk about selecting crucial ideas inspired by other videos. Your plan must be coherent, and in order to reach a high level of consistency, you have to anticipate your audience's questions. Each part of the script should lead the viewer closer to the information he's looking for. It could be steps, pieces of advice, warnings, etc. Depends on the topic and the perspective you choose to approach the subject. With a clear plan on your hand, you can start writing. Number 3. Typing/freestyling the script. If you're comfortable with writing, do it. Without interruption, let the words spring up naturally. If you're not, we have a simple trick that's gonna make a difference. Use your office recorder. Not only is it gonna save you time, but it will also help you go with the flow. You will be amazed to see how fast ideas come to your mind. And most of all, it will help create fluent text as it has to be on YouTube. But more importantly, you don't need to choose between freestyling and typing. You can do both. It's actually recommended. In fact, by switching between the two, your mind will generate varied sentences and richer content. That being done, you will be able to start the following action. Number 4. Sleep on the script. We don't have to tell you that your script needs a quick revision before recording the voice. But do you know what's the most common mistake YouTubers make in this phase of video creation? Many of them tend to read the text once, twice, even 10 times just after they write, which isn't the best way to review the script. Actually, you have to sleep on it. At least wait 24 hours before checking it. You'll be more likely to spot what needs to be rephrased or removed. The last step consists of reworking the hook. Number 5. Enhance the hook. If you don't know what the hook is, it's the entry of the script, the first 30 seconds or less. And since we know that you only have 5 seconds to catch the viewer's attention before they click off and go to another video, you have to make sure that it's interesting, intriguing, appealing, and catchy. Once someone clicks on your video, it's your job to keep him watching. So work on the hook as much time as it's needed. And you know our advice, progression over perfection. So don't try to make it perfect. Your only target is to make your script better than the one before. It's time for your bonus. Those are our final tips for those who stick till the end of the video. You need to have a call to action. In other words, you have to ask your audience to subscribe, like, and comment on your video. But don't fall into the mistake of doing it from the beginning. How can you push the viewer to support content he hasn't seen yet? Why would he subscribe to a channel he knows nothing about but a promise of answering the request he typed on the search bar? So, be strategic and include the call to action at the right place in the script. You can do it as many times as you want once you sense the appropriate context. From our humble point of view, now is a good time. So, if you made it to the end of the video, be part of our journey, subscribe right now, like, share, and more importantly, tell us in the comments below what you find challenging in creating a script for the faceless YouTube video.